How they do? Morning. Welcome back to A God Word This, where every morning, 5 o'clock Jamaica time, we read from the Jamaican New Testament. Today, we are going to read from Matthew 7, 1 to 6. What you say? You bring a friend? Welcome, friend. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Anything else you want to know? Check the description box. Follow back on me.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Matthew 7, 1 to 6. No judge people like say God can't pardon them. So the same sitting we no reach no. Cause the same way how on judge people, as so God I go judge on too. If we take time with other people, as so God I go take time with on too. But if we not ready for rough them up and write them off, at that I go reach on too. What make you see the little piece of sawdust in our brother or sister eye? And you can't see the big piece of plank in a phone own. Or you can really say to your brother or sister say, come let me take out the sawdust out of your eye. And one piece of plank the in a phone own, eh? You know hypocrite you know? First, you have to take out the plank out of phone eye. That way they know, you can say good. If you take out the little piece of sawdust out of your brother or sister, yeah. And you take on a good clean sitting them, we have for God give dog. And a good pearl dash give pig. Them now go tap up on them. Then turn around tearing up. A God Word This. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.